Hello, everyone. This is the Hazardous Waste Management System platform of DNR Environmental Management Bureau. So, ano ang ginagawa natin dito? Ano ang gamit nitong Hazardous Waste Management System online platform? Well, of course, doon sa nakasulat sa DAO 2013-22, let me show it on the screen. Sabi dito sa DAO 2013-22, pakita natin on the screen, DAO 2013-22. At yan po yung standards for the management of hazardous waste, DAO 2013-22. Revised procedures and standards for the management of hazardous waste. Particularly doon sa Chapter 3.3, I read and I quote Chapter 3, which is governing rules and regulations for hazardous waste generators, and 3.3, requirements for waste generators. Waste generators are required to register online and pay the registration fee to the EMB regional office having jurisdiction over the location of the waste generator. A DNR ID number shall be issued by the EMB regional office upon registration of the waste generator. So ano yung napulot natin dito? That waste generators are to register online. At itong online registration na to, dun yan sa Hazardous Waste Management System of DNR EMB. So mula rito, para makapag-comply doon sa Chapter 3.3 regarding registration as waste generator, dapat pag-create tayo dito ng account. So para makapag-create ng account, click nyo lang itong register a new account. So mula dyan, mag-fill out lang nitong user registration mula sa first name, last name, active email, mobile number, desired password, and then upload ng government ID, company ID, and then register. So once na ma-submit natin yan, we are now ready to log in. So mag-login tayo sa ating account gamit ang ating email. So lalagay lang natin dito yung ating email and then yung ating password. So mula dyan, you can see here in our platform, in our own account, na merong tatlong buttons dito na pwede nating i-access gaya nitong generator button and then transporter at saka TST. So doon sa registration as a hazardous waste generator, so dito tayo sa generator button. And here, meron tayong sub-buttons like applications, PTT form, manifest, then has waste inventory. So for the first time registration sa system na to as waste generator, Dito tayo sa application. Dito natin i-work out. Okay? So when you click this application button, you can see here meron tayong new generator registration button. So click nyo lang yan. Pagka na-click nyo yan, you will see this step 1 to 5. Step 1, basic information. So all about your company profile. Step 2, your environmental compliance permits. Kapag magre-register as waste generator, dapat meron ka ng nakuhang either environmental compliance certificate or certificate of non-coverage. So yan, importante yan na dokumento in this registration. So prior to registration as waste generator, dapat meron ka ng either an environmental compliance certificate or certificate of non-coverage. Pangalawa, dapat meron ka na ring PCO accreditation. And pangatlo, dapat meron kang discharge permit either issued by EMB or LLDA. Dapat din meron ka na ring permit to operate ng ating air pollution source installation issued by EMB. And if applicable. If applicable. So, kailangan ma-upload mo itong mga permits sa step number 2. So, ang step number 2, magpapakita yan ng iyong mga ah, existing na mga permits na na-acquire natin sa DNR EMB or LLTA. So, dapat mag-appear yan dyan. Sa step number 2, ang mga permits na kailangan may upload, napaka-importante yan sa evaluator. So, kung kulang ang mga permits, hindi tayo may issuean ng hazardous waste generator registration certificate. Sa step number 3 naman, yung product and service information. So, dito mag-indicate ka ano ba ang product mo. So, you can click this add more button para maglagay ka ng product or service dito. So, halimbawa, meron kang step number 4. Ito naman yung mga hazardous waste na na-generate mo sa inyong facility. And eventually, step number 5, yung mga requirements ng registration.